Co-PPGIS is an approach that involves local communities in the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting spatial data. This approach is useful in finding locations that are of interest to the community, such as potential sites for new infrastructure or areas for conservation. The community involvement in Co-PPGIS can lead to a more accurate understanding of the local context, as community members have intimate knowledge of their surroundings. This can help in identifying locations that may have been overlooked or undervalued by traditional mapping methods. One example of how Co-PPGIS can be used to find locations is in identifying suitable sites for community gardens. By involving local residents in the mapping process, it is possible to identify areas that are currently underutilized but have potential for growing food. This can help to improve access to fresh produce for the community while also promoting social interaction and engagement. Overall, Co-PPGIS is a valuable approach for finding locations that are of importance to local community. By involving community members in the mapping process, it is possible to gain a more accurate understanding of the local context and identity locations that may have been overlooked by traditional mapping methods. So today, I will give you a very small example of how Co-PPGIS can be used to find out the location of herbivores, the species which are present on the planet Earth. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to type ArcGIS on your Google and then we are going to click on it. After your website's load, can you see the sign in? Click on the sign in and enter your username and password, or if you're new, you can even create your account by clicking on the create an account logo. Give it a couple of minutes to sign in. So after ArcGIS loads, you can see the map logo. Click on it. Again, wait for a couple of minutes for it to load. After you click on the map logo, a map will appear in front of you, which will look like this. It will just show the basic continents of the world, like Europe, South America. After that, click on the button which reads as layers. Click on the add button and add layer from file. After that, select a file from your device. Remember, the file should be of CSV, KML or GeoJSON. Now, as you can see, I was unable to find out my file. So what I did was that first I tried to put my Excel file in it, but it said the file is not supported. This means that only CSV files are required. So what I did was I converted my CSV file, but then it again said duplicate field names. So that meant that there was some field which was of duplicate names. So I tried to correct it. After correcting it and turning my Excel file into a CSV file, I was able to put it into my ArcGIS. And then after that, it already selected latitude and longitude. And then there is the tags button and the summary button. If you want to add some tags, do it, because my file was related to plants, zoology and botany. So what I did was I put the same tags in it. Adding the tags helps others to find out your map easily. But you can only share the map if it is made public. And then if you want to add a summary, you can add it. So I just wrote a test run and I created a map. Give it a couple of minutes to load. So after I put my file into it, you can see black dots on my screen. And each dot is representing a particular species that I put in my document. So I want to edit the style. I don't like the black dots. So what I did was I clicked on the edit style. And now it said pick a style. So I clicked on heat map style. As you can see, the whole page, the whole icon changed. It became red, green, and as you can see that on the bar there is high and low written. And it has different colors. So you can see by doing this, we can create a map on ArcGIS. Thank you.